These are your hands. Oh Lord, it's breaking, y'all.
That's Tasha, that's Steph. Let's go ahead and fill in the rest. We gonna eat a little, drink a little. Our story time is the best. Have you LOL when you click play? No, this ain't no clickbait.
What's up, y'all?
Hey guys, it's Steph
And Tasha, and we back with another video. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family. I guess I was about to eat a fry. If you've been here before, welcome back. Baby, tell them what we're doing today.
Today we are doing whatever we feel like eating today, mukbang. So we got two different things going on. We'll let you know when we get into the video. I'm doing a challenge, obviously.
Yeah.
I have no idea what I'm doing, y'all.
She doing something.
But she let me know before the video I'm doing something.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I ain't really ready. I'm hungry, so I'm ready to eat.
I don't know how she gonna eat these
ready for this
tacos, but okay.
Babe, let's get into the video. All right, guys, we are back. So I got Del Taco.
So do I.
I have two tacos, one hard shell chicken, one hard shell beef, and I got two soft shells, one beef and one chicken as well. Okay? So,
Hold up.
I ain't got nothing to say.
All right, I got a manwich. Not a homemade one. I got a manwich. I saw a Trey Nene eating this a couple days ago, and I have Del Taco French fries. I had a taste for this, but you need to pick up a taco and eat it, cause that might be what you're not gonna get.
I'm gonna eat the fastest thing.
Okay.
I know you playing.
Anyway, let me give myself some ketchup, y'all. How y'all doing today? I would say I miss you guys, but we've been here every day. I still miss y'all. Trying to go live one day this year. You know, you eating like a maniac. I don't even think I'm gonna do a challenge. This is just called the Stephanie Eating Fast as Hell Challenge.
Cause I don't know what's to come.
Y'all.
I don't know what's to come, y'all. Last time I had to eat with, what did she do to me, y'all? I had the baby mask.
That was hilarious.
Oh my God. Was that the same time when I had the wolf hands? Or was that was the wolf hands a different one?
I don't know.
I had some wolf hands one time. It was hair all in the food.
Yeah.
I don't like to play with Tasha when it comes to me having to do a challenge.
Well, I know what you have a problem with now. Stephanie wanted to complain because I don't want food, hair in my food, just complaining. So anyway, the mask smell like poison.
Today.
All right. Well, that's what I'm gonna need you to do. Oh hell no! These are your hands. Look.
Oh my God.
There go a French fry.
Wow. I'm probably gonna crush the taco. Okay.
There you go.
And they so big.
I know.
This is wrong, y'all.
Like a Tyrannosaurus.
What am I gonna name this?
Let me move this.
Eating with claw hands?
Yeah, I guess so. Tasha made me eat with claw hands while she
And I gotta do everything with the claw, including love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
Love you, baby.
Love you too. She
Want me
always
to hold that for you?
No.
Oh, it's about to fall off, baby.
No, no. Leave me and my burger alone. Whoa.
Way too many fries, y'all. Okay. Ooh.
Not for me. You
Okay.
could have fed them to me. See? Not hard at all. You don't keep hitting me. Don't touch me with that thing again. Do you understand?
I'm touching you.
Don't
These
touch
are my
me
hands, baby.
with that again.
These are my hands.
Don't touch me with it.
And you know I love you.
Yeah, I know you do.
Oh, man. How am I going to do the taco? Oh.
You should probably use the other hand.
What?
I ain't saying nothing. Don't touch me with that thing.
Oh, my God, y'all. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
You got it. You gotta put taco sauce on it. See? You did good. I should have made her do this on a solo, y'all. This is like. Yeah, see, you got that taco. She ain't letting go of that taco. Look. Oh no.
No. So I ain't gonna do
Oh no to that taco.
Oh Lord, it's breaking, y'all.
But yeah.
Oh, baby, come on, get my taco.
I ain't getting nothing.
Y'all can't even see. All right, y'all.
Extra. That's fine. I'll pick up your tacos and eat them. Y'all enjoying her eating with?
No.
No? Are you enjoying it?
Hell no.
Oh. I don't know what to tell you.
Not no.
Is that lipstick? Yeah, you got lipstick on my buns.
Good.
Anyway.
Won't be the first time.
Anywho. Oh, you know what I was thinking about today, y'all? As Stephanie struggles to eat her tacos.
Man.
I was driving back from the store today. You want this? No, you gotta grab it with this.
Oh, wait, put it on my mouth.
I'm gonna help you out with one taco, babe.
Okay, at least put the stuff on it for me.
Yeah, give me the, can you give me the Ortega?
But I'll try.
You trying to pick the sauce up? Okay. There you go. Good job. Good job.
I got the sauce, y'all.
You almost got it.
Can you open it?
Okay. All right.
Oh, man.
Seems like Stephanie can use.
Oh. I just need help opening it. Can you open this one really?
Oh, hold on. Let me get my French fry. Here you go, sweetie. You happy?
No.
I'm not happy.
I'm mad because I like my stuff organized. So I like to hold it and let it like run across. Y'all see me
Right.
when I put sauce on? I don't just like let it fly all over.
You got some sauce on your hands. You want to lick it off?
Nah, I'm good. You want some?
No, I don't.
Okay. Oh, man, this is cold. Where'd you get this from?
Five Below.
No, the idea. You just
I
have to
just-
saw it, see it.
Yeah, when I was on Five Below, I was I saw the hands
Can you open this?
or the claws, and I'm gonna open your ketchup for you. Okay. Where do you want it?
You wanted me to do this.
Where do you want it?
Right there, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you? Should I try the sour cream, or you want to do it?
I'll do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So what are we doing today? This is it.
I was trying to tell them something, but
Okay,
you
go
over
ahead.
here just not knowing how to eat. Okay. Excuse me. When I was driving back from the store,
At least I got some fries, y'all. I don't know what else.
this guy honked at me, but I couldn't go because there was someone walking. It really upsets me when people honk and they're not paying attention to what's in front of them. I mean, and it was an annoying honk. It was the honk like, go, you dumb bee. You know, there's a honk. There's honking etiquette where it's like, boop, like, hey, go ahead and go. You know, what's going on? And then there's, hurry the hell up, you know? Okay, that was good. So instantly, I wanted to, oh wait. So he tried to go around. We on a 2-lane street. And I was instantly thinking about, I wish I had an instant karma button for him.
Oh, that was good.
I would love to have an instant karma button for road ragers. So like all his 4 tires could have just got flat instantly. You know, I was really mad that I didn't have one. or I had like a little pellet gun, I could shoot his tires out or something. Yeah, it was that serious. It was that serious.
What I want to try to do, y'all. I want some drink.
I wish God.
You knew I was gonna go overboard with this. Don't get mad now. You wanted me to do the challenge. Getting ketchup everywhere, y'all. Including on Tasha.
She like to be extra, that's why.
Absolutely.
I'm not even gonna challenge her anymore to nothing. Cause I'll be part of the challenge. I'm glad I ain't got it too bad this time. I mean, you was trying to stab me and poke me in the eye with it, yeah. Go ahead. That's why it's pork in there.
Here, baby.
Thank you. That was sweet.
You're welcome. So, how am I doing, y'all? Should I challenge her to use these?
No. Alright, if I use those, I'm still gonna be able to eat.
I'm gonna make you do it on a drenched seafood boil.
That's cold.
Not the shell. Oh.
That's a bit much.
Oh. Y'all, leave me some challenges and pranks for Tasha's butt, okay? She trying to do too much, okay? She's coming back.
So, I have to, y'all. I'll be letting, see, this is the thing. I'm not about to say that I let people win, but I'm not a big competitive person, so I don't feel like I'll be trying that hard. Would you like some of those burgers? Go ahead, sweetheart. But
this is fun. Very fun. Woo! You mad at me?
No, but
okay.
Don't play too much.
All right.
Or I'm gonna start doing stuff that you're not gonna like too.
All right.
Okay?
I'm done playing, y'all.
You're gonna have french fries in your hair.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'm fine, yeah.
Don't do it again.
Don't do it again.
Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again.
Babe, really? You just, okay.
I don't care.
No. Okay. Y'all see what she did to me? You not have to do all that.
Wipe it off.
Nah. Leave it on there. You about to have a matching one.
No.
Shoot.
My hair is pressed. Please don't do
all
that. You always do extra stuff though.
Steph loves up, y'all. Give me some stuff to do on Tasha. I gotta get her. Ooh, it's hard.
Well, what time is it? You just use your regular food. Just eat. You can eat. You can eat. You can eat. You did enough. Oh, let me take this dirty thing off your dress, sweetheart.
Why you didn't tell me to change my outfit?
Because I wanted you.
I want a brand new dress, y'all.
Oh, this is new?
Yes. And this sour cream, meat, sauce, ketchup, everything on my dress.
She making that up. It ain't that
Can
much.
you pull my arms down?
Like this?
Yeah. Wait.
We got some shouted out.
This one too.
You ain't about to touch me with nothing.
Tasha's fast with the reflex, boy. Woo.
Telling y'all, you already know. I don't want random food on my face.
I'm glad I had this tray. Cause if they weren't sitting up.
Oh
no,
my goodness, that would have been really hard.
We just bought this taco tray from Bed Bath & Beyond. We did a vlog, y'all, on our shopping trip. Check it out. And we're basically we're trying to do everyday vlogs, at least for July, just to see if we can keep up. So we've been dropping vlogs every day, y'all. If you're interested, check out the vlog channel. Link is in the description below. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Okay, you ready to play?
I ain't doing nothing. I was just trying to lick your elbow. I wasn't doing nothing else. You want some of my manwich?
Nah.
You want me to feed it to you?
No, but I can feed it to you.
No, I don't want it. Shit, I don't want it. You want me to feed you your taco? Can I have a bite of your taco?
Yeah.
Which one's the beef?
This one. Put some sauce on it.
I had enough food. Just had enough.
This is gonna be a short video, y'all.
Yeah.
Cause I didn't come prepared with no topic or nothing.
We don't
Can
need
you give
it.
me some more ketchup, please?
Heinz. No sugar.
Don't give me no Hunt's ketchup.
Sugar. Hunt's is good. Don't hate. Hunt's is number one. Even like all of y'all say Heinz. I don't think there was one. I think there was one person that said they like Hunt's.
No, there's people that like Hunt's.
Oh,
Let's clean that. Oh, come on.
I'm sure there's people that like Hunt's, but I ain't see it.
Oh.
Fuck it, just eat the side of the shell. My baby was hungry, y'all. Look at it. Precious the angel. Don't touch me with that.
I want my hand.
All right, then. You want some sandwich?
Get over here.
All right.
Hey guys. Hello. Hello.
Maybe
Maybe I should eat these more often.
Why?
Because I had to eat slow, I feel full.
Oh, yeah.
If I wouldn't have had this, all this would be gone.
Yeah. That's true.
Y'all, this gonna be my new diet. The claw hand diet.
I think it's got to do with YouTube.
You do?
Yeah, because if we wasn't sitting here, we would stop. And we
Oh,
we
yeah,
try to keep
definitely.
eating because we trying to make the video.
But I can't eat, so.
Give me can you hand me a Del Scorch show? Shout out to our friend that works at Del Taco. I don't know her name, but she's our friend.
I'm done with these, y'all.
I just want a
That's
bite of this.
That was fun, babe. Thank you. That was a fun challenge for me.
You're
It
welcome.
wasn't dangerous and disgusting.
That smells like something. I mean, it tastes like something that's like.
It's nasty.
No, it's not nasty at all. You know me. I just feel something that will be at the bottom of a meat bucket.
Ugh.
I just accidentally spit on your taco. Sorry.
It's fine. I ain't gonna eat it.
All right, we're done, y'all.
We done.
We're done. We're done with the video.
Woo. Hope y'all enjoyed that as much as I did, and Tasha.
Yeah. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you guys think. We have a vlog channel, Steph and Tasha Vlogs. Link is in the description below.
Make sure you set your post notifications to all so you don't miss any of our daily uploads, live streams, or premieres. Till next time, only good vibes.
Peace.
Claw hand, babe. No. You can kiss my ass. That's what you can kiss.